Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for SIGA. The report was first published on our website Thursday, July 28, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell SIGA? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 25, 2022, our system ranks the SIGA stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 0.000. This is an average return of 10.61% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for SIGA, our last headline reads, high volatility in SIGA stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $22.35. The SIGA stock price gained 24.86% on the last trading day, Thursday, July 28, 2022, rising from $17.90 to $22.35. And has now gained 5 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 26.71% from a day low at $17.71 to a day high of $22.44. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 64.82% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 10 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 37 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $830.33 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $22.44, and the lowest price was $5.84. Right now the price is 0.4%, or $0.0900, below 52-week high at $22.44, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back, there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $19.72, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $25.17 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 83.76% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 17.4% and 62.15%. The 12-month trend indicates a 71% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -37.57% and -1.21%. This equals a price between $13.95 and $22.08 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, SIGA stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the SIGA stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for SIGA. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The SIGA stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $16.28 and $13.02. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, June 13, 2022, and so far it has risen 130.18%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 32 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 48 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 58 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 62 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 60 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SIGA. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $17.90 and $17.43. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at $17.43 may give a huge drop in the stock price. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $4.73 between high and low, or 26.71%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 19.85%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for SIGA. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. SIGA currently has a price-earning ratio of 17.55. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Next upcoming earnings report for Q2 2022 is expected to be released August 04, 2022. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, SIGA finds first level of support at $17.90, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for SIGA is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On June 14, 2022, PlanSky Michael C. made an inside buy of 14,620 of restricted stock units. On June 14, 2022, PlanSky Michael C. made an inside buy of 22,831 of restricted stock units. On June 14, 2022, PlanSky Michael C. made an inside sell of 6,849 of common stock, par value $0.0001 per share. On June 14, 2022, PlanSky Michael C. made an inside buy of 22,831 of common stock, par value $0.0001 per share. On June 14, 2022, Nemirovsky Julian made an inside buy of 14,620 of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 55.624. In total, the insiders bought 1,271,572 and sold 498,806 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $21.57, minus 3.48%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 76 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 31 days ago. Is SIGA stock a buy? SIGA holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 29th, we expect SIGA to open down negative $1.52 and start trading at $20.83. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.